So fall is coming up, and that means change. And not just for the season. Kids start at school or not, work and home routines are being hammered out, and a constant barrage of things to deal with. More than ever, we live in a fast paced world, and the quicker we can handle these things, the smoother our lives will be. And all this unpredictability can feel overwhelming unless we have a system in place to incorporate these new changes. I truly believe that is more important now than ever before to keep a clutter-free home environment. Cutting out clutter can reduce your stress, provide clarity of mind, and make your home more peaceful to be. After all, your physical environment is a reflection of your mental state, and vice versa. Let's go over my step-by-step on how to declutter and organize your home in this world of abundance. Number one, start with a room that affects you the most. And that can mean how it makes you feel, mood, or how effective the space is, functionality. Our example today will be the kitchen pantry. It is the one place that is constantly changing in this household of five. Step two, take inventory of the size and nature of the items. This is where you start categorizing and grouping to see how much stuff you have and where it needs to be. How much space will it be needing? For example, I want the most used items at eye level, the heavy items at the bottom, and the occasional use or light items up at the top. Step 3, brainstorm a way to organize and create a system for storage and access of your items. By looking at the size of the group of items, assign an appropriate size container for it. For example, in my pantry, because I spoil my kids, I have tons of snacks of different sizes and expiration dates. I separate these snacks into salty snacks, chips, crackers, nuts, sweet snacks, candies, dry fruits, hot cocoa. The in-use items will be loose in a storage container. The new items are unopened in boxes and only opened when the older items are gone. I also have containers for pastas, condiments, plastic utensils, etc. I group canned goods, cooking ingredients, and drinks into their own spots on the shelves. Step 4, make or buy your system equipment. In this case, for the pantry, I purchased various size containers for the smaller, loose items. And if you want the rest of the family to follow your system, you may need to label the containers. As you place each item in its rightful spot, check the expiration date and toss it out if it need be. If there are items that no one wants but are still good, donate it to someone who would appreciate it. This step-by-step process on decluttering and organizing your home can be applied to any space in your home, from closets to office to the backyard. If you're fortunate, you have a lot of space, which means you need to take the time and create a system for all your spaces so that your life can flow smoothly and new opportunities are more likely to come knocking if you have a welcoming space for it. And remember, for your space to stay organized, you need to go back and go through your items and change your system if need be, every so often. Trust me, the second time around should go a lot faster. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help.